mahal ng hamog dito. Ang sarap. Katabi lang talaga as in yung hamog. Napakasarap talaga mag-camping dito.
And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go.
Coffee ulit.
Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand.
Sayan, say hi sa vlog.
Hi!
Alright. Dito na kami sa Baguio. By the way, ako nga pala si Papa Mel. At isa ako nga husband, pero palaging wala sa bahay. For today's video, bali magka-camping lang tayo sa Camp Rexac, ang favorite naming campsite dito sa Baguio or sa La Trinidad. Dito lang yan sa Benguet. Bali dito namin celebrate ang Christmas evening hanggang mag-25. Alright, samahan nyo kami guys. Let's go!
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if
Saan yung Carabao? Carabao!
Carabao!
Saan sa Carabao?
Hi!
even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Yeah. Ganun mo lang oh, pag-ihiga.
Uy! Sobrang
Yan, no, hindi. Ganun mo lang, dahan-dahan lang.
Paano magkakaya?
Ganun lang ulit. Hilahin mo lang. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Nag-upgrade kasi kami ng upuan guys, ng camping chair. So nare-recline na siya. Kasi meron kaming mga mga scoliosis. Paras kami may scoliosis ni Mrs. Kaya deserve namin tong ganitong klaseng camping chair. Yeah.
Hello po! Hi!
Okay, mag-setup na tayo ng natin, kitchen, tsaka tambayan. Let's go!
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through.
Ganito ang technique kapag mahangin habang nagtatayo ka ng tent. Unahin mo muna yung fly sheet na i-pegs.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
Alright, tapos na ang tent. Tapos ito yung kainan slash kitchen slash tambayan. Yan. Dali, ikaw na.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it's a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter. But you're with someone else. Even with this
Wow,
supposed to
tatakoy.
be.
Hot, you want?
If I'm
No.
unable to make you happy, then
Pwede sa
it's
ito
for the better.
Tsaka ayaw mo rin
But
ito,
you are
maarte ka
not with me.
Wow! So cool!
Tan ko darap to, no?
Asin.
Hindi.
That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I say.
Hello guys!
Close your eyes. Get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day. But I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul.
Wow!
Bali, ang ulam natin ngayon ay adobo. Favorite ni Sayod. So, tas may soup pa pala tayo. Bali, meron tayong soup. Soup drinks daw, sabi ni Miss. Hindi, ang soup natin ay mushroom soup. Mushroom soup na gawa sa Campbell's ba yun. Tapos lalagyan ng milk. Tapos titimplahan ng salt and pepper. Tapos yun na. Kasi ang lamig ngayon eh. Sobrang napa-jacket na nga ako eh. Ayun o. Eh, hindi ako lamigin eh. Ang lakas pa ng hangin kasi. Grabe dito sa Campragsak, sobra. Ito yung soup kanino na niluto namin. Sobrang sarap. Kainin na po.
May you always always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at
Alright guys, ito kami ngayon. Tinitis ang lamig. Katatapos lang namin kumain. Ito, nag-work si Mrs. Ayan. Tapos yung isa doon, may nilalamig na isa doon. Oh. Say hi.
Hi.
Nilalamig. Sobrang lamig. Ang lakas ng hangin, tapos malamig. So, paantok lang kami ng konti.
You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always.
Good morning. Sobrang sarap talaga dito sa Kampragsak. Morning, loves. You know.
Hi.
Good morning, Sayon.
Good morning. Oh, there comes the
Alright,
wind.
naligo na ako kahit na sobrang lamig. Kasi kahapon di ako naligo eh. Ang lamig kasi. Coffee muna tayo, almusal, tapos maya bababa tayo ng Baguio. May bibilin tayong pagkain para mamaya sa Noche Buena. Morning guys, sabi mo.
Good morning, guys.
Meron ka pang ano. Sige na, mag-water ka na. Vietnamese coffee tayo ngayon guys. Brewed coffee plus condensed milk. Mga ano ka dyan, lab, wala.
Lalab eh. Ayun, yung kutsara ni Sai na may chocolate. Pwede na yun.
The best. Sarap. Coffee. Cheers. Nasaan yung ano? Pana chocolate?
Lang.
Saan? You're digging the sand?
Yeah.
Using front loader?
Yeah.
Alright.
Aba.
Go. Ang galing oh. Nakabalik na pala kami dito sa Kampragsak. Grabe. Ang kapal ng hamog dito. Ang sarap. Katabi lang talaga as in yung hamog. Napakasarap talaga mag-camping dito. Grabe oh. Solid oh.
Yay! Hello po,
Are you
guys.
happy?
Yeah.
What are you eating?
Chocolate mapay.
Coffee ulit.
Lagyan mo na yun sa ano.
Oh! Sino nag-brew niyan kanina? Ito iniinom mo? Tingnan mo yun sa akin.
Mabango mo ako.
Tingnan mo. May asim wala.
Wala. Tuwan mo ako. Tapos
Kasi pag nagbo-brew ka, dapat hindi siya boiling point. Kasi magugulat yung coffee grounds. Magugulat coffee grounds. Tip nga pala kapag magbo-brew kayo sa coffee press or kahit na anong kahit na pour over cone or kahit na yung tipong rekta tapos hot water ilalagay nyo. Huwag yung kulong-kulo, dapat siguro pag gumulo siya, tambay nyo muna saglit. Mas maganda kung meron kayong thermometer. At least 90 to 95 degrees Celsius lang. Huwag yung 100 degrees Celsius kasi yun parang kakaroon siya ng asim effect, acidity. Umaasim yung coffee nyo. Unless talagang mataas yung acidity ng coffee nyo. Kahit na gawin nyo yung ganun technique, kung mataas yung acidity ng coffee nyo, maasim pa rin talaga yung kalalabasan. Sarap. Tapos sasama mo na ito. Ang tawag dito, shortbread cookie. Galing sa Victoria. Try nyo yung mga bread nila doon. Sobrang sasarap guys. Promise. Tapos hindi siya mahal. Affordable lang siya. Hindi naman siya sobrang affordable. Nasa mid-range lang siya. Pero yung quality ng mga tinapay niya, talagang quality. Masarap. Ganito lang naman gagawin natin dito eh. Ang mag-relax na mag-relax. At kumain ng kumain. Kalimutan muna yung mga trabaho sa bahay. Enjoyin muna. Hindi tayo magpapasko eh.
A.M. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave.
Merry Christmas everyone!
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing.
Picture para may pang-entry sa social media.
Shining from within. I can tell that you're tough.
Say cheese!
Just the side of you when I'm at my weakest point. Makes a world of difference.
Alright guys, kain na! Noong mga oras na to, sobrang saya lang namin. Kasi pinapangarap lang namin yung ganitong klaseng setup kapag Pasko. Dati inisip lang namin kung ano yung mangyayari, kung ano yung kainatnan. Wala, ang galing lang kasi ngayon nagagawa na namin. Yung ini-enjoy namin yung lamig ng panahon, yung lamig ng hangin, habang nasa campsite kami, nasa outdoor, ganun. Tapos simple lang yung handa. Konti lang yung handa, hindi yung magarbo, hindi yung mga uso sa social media. Yung paramihan ng handa. Hindi kasi kami ganun eh. Ang mahalaga sa amin yung ganito, yung magkakasama kami, masaya kami kumakain ng sabay-sabay. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa asawa ko, sa anak ko. Kasi nasasabayan nila ako sa mga ganitong klaseng trip ko. At syempre sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos. Kasi nararanasan namin yung mga ganitong klaseng trip. Yung inaalaw niya yung mga ganitong klaseng pangyayari. Na masaya kami. Thank you Lord talaga.
Future and you are my past. Pretty little thing. You're a diamond in the rough. Shining from within.
Nag-set up kami ng bonfire dito para talagang dama yung camping. Tsaka sakto din kasi malamig din dito sa lugar na to eh. Ayos.
Let's go by fire.
Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to
Fire, fire, fire.
always keep.
Good morning guys. Third day na namin ngayon at uling araw na namin. At ngayong araw ay Pasko, December 25. At ito, nagliligpit na po kami ng mga gamit namin para makaalis na rin kami. Alright guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. At hanggang dito na lang po yung video. God bless po sa ating lahat.
across the water, I smell the salt and feel the breeze. But in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reaper's Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City,